How to disable exit full screen on LD player. Let's get started. First of all, open up LD player in your device, and once you open it up and you have this interface, now what you have to do is navigate to the settings icon from this top right corner, then click on it. A settings box will pop up in your interface. Now on this menu bar at the left hand side of the settings, there is a shortcuts option. Click on it. Now under the shortcut setting, there you will have full screen, and it says allow pressing ESC to exit full screen or maximize. So you have to uncheck this checkbox and then click on save settings. After you do that, you can maximize the screen. Now if you press ESC key in your keyboard, you won't be able to exit this full screen. So that's how you can disable exit full screen in LD player. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.